Vladimir Putin's police clashed violently with protesters in Moscow and arrested more than 2,500 demonstrators in cities across the country on Saturday as Russians took to the streets to denounce Kremlin rule and demand the release of opposition leader Alexei Navalny. Tens of thousands nationwide answered Navalny's call to rally, issued after he was detained at a Moscow airport on arrival from Germany, where he had been recovering from a near-fatal poisoning with a nerve agent. Washington and Brussels condemned the arrest and other tactics used against demonstrators, with EU Foreign Policy Chief Josep Borrell saying the bloc would discuss next steps on Monday. Moving on to the next news, the man presented by protesting farmers near Delhi at a news conference late Friday had lied about plotting to disrupt their agitation and assassinate 4 leaders on Republic Day, the police said on Saturday. Yesterday, he alleged that he was tasked by one Inspector Pradeep SHO of Rai police station. Our preliminary investigation shows that there is no inspector named Pradeep in the district or at Rai police station, Sonipat District Police Chief Jashandip Singh Randhawa said. He is a resident of Sonipat, his father is a cook and his mother washes dishes. This masked person used to work in a factory. After the COVID-19 lockdown, he was expelled and is currently unemployed. On questioning, it came to the fore that he had arguments with farmer volunteers over allegations of eve-teasing. He was taken to a camp where he was beaten up. He has said he made statements under fear. No criminal record was found against the person, he said, adding the man is not under arrest. Moving on to the next news, farmers protesting the centre's new agriculture laws said on Saturday that they will hold a 100-kilometer tractor rally in the national capital on Republic Day after getting a go-ahead from the Delhi police that set aside the initial resistance from authorities for the demonstration. The police, however, appeared to contradict the claim soon after. Farmers have not given us any route in writing. We will let you know once we receive a route in written, Delhi Police Commissioner S.N. Srivastava told NDTV. Moving on to the next news. After a slow start, India's vaccination numbers are gradually picking up. 15.37 lakh people have been vaccinated in 27,776 sessions since January 16, when the mass inoculation drive was launched. 1.46 lakh people were vaccinated on Saturday in 3,368 sessions, according to the Health Ministry. A total of 1,238 adverse events have been recorded so far, which is 0.08% of the total vaccinations, the government said, adding that 11 persons or 0.0007% of the people who were vaccinated have been hospitalized. Moving on to the next news. Amid threats of China getting hostile on the line of actual control in the coming months, Indian Air Force Air Chief Marshal R.K.S. Bhadoria on Saturday said India too can be aggressive if Beijing tries to get violent. Addressing a press conference in Jodhpur on the sidelines of IAF and the French Air and Space Force bilateral exercise Desert Night 21, R.K.S. Bhadoria said, if they can be aggressive, we can also be aggressive. We are fully prepared.
Hello everyone, HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.